Did you know there's been a surge in developing applications on the Bitcoin network? Data shows over 50 decentralized apps, or dapps, now built on Bitcoin. If you're new to crypto, you may wonder, how's this possible? Wasn't Bitcoin just for transactions? Isn't that why Ethereum exists as a platform for developers? Well, you're right. Bitcoin was originally for transactions, but new blockchains have emerged as application layers for dapps on Bitcoin. These include Stacks, Liquid Network, Lightning Network, and Ordinals. However, these have limitations. This is why developers are now flocking to a newly integrated network connecting to Bitcoin, the Internet Computer, or IC. Now, let's explore why developers are excited about IC. IC and Bitcoin integration. For context, Internet Computer is a standalone blockchain, not a Layer 2 solution. It's a true Layer 1, like Bitcoin. The difference is, IC uses proof of useful work consensus. This ensures validators enhance network quality rather than compete. While Bitcoin integrations typically use bridges, IC connects seamlessly. Developers love building on a robust network with Bitcoin transactions. Surprisingly, this integration is new, early 2023. Why the interest in IC? Benefits of building on IC. Developers can now create Bitcoin smart contracts and dapps using IC's canister contracts. Bitcoin transactions are recorded on its blockchain. Users can also make direct Bitcoin transactions on IC using CKBTC or Chain Key Bitcoin. This represents Bitcoin on IC, enabling seamless Bitcoin transactions. CKBTC differs from WBTC. While both are one-to-one backed by Bitcoin, CKBTC is designed for Bitcoin movements on IC without wrapping. CKBTC transactions are swift without third parties thanks to IC's advanced mechanism. CKBTC transactions are validated via ESDCA, making them more hack-resistant. Over 50% of minters must approve. This makes CKBTC faster and more efficient than WBTC. Advantages of building Bitcoin dapps on IC. CKBTC simplifies transactions. CKBTC makes it feel as if you're developing applications directly on the Bitcoin blockchain. Transactions are seamless and intuitive for developers. High transaction speed. IC offers blazing fast transaction speeds of around 11,500 transactions per second. This vastly surpasses Bitcoin current rate of approximately 3 to 7 transactions per second. Cycle mechanism. Developers can leverage IC's innovative cycle mechanism, which completely eliminates transaction fees for end users. This is similar to how traditional Web2 applications work, where developers handle server expenses. CKBTC integration. Any and all applications built on the IC can seamlessly integrate and utilize Bitcoin via CKBTC. This provides a native Bitcoin experience right within IC dapps. HTTPS outcalls. IC's canister smart contracts have built-in support for HTTPS outcalls. This makes it straightforward for developers to securely access off-chain data without relying on external Oracle services. Internet identity. IC offers a breakthrough decentralized identity system called Internet Identity. This technology simplifies user access to dapps while ensuring privacy and security through fingerprint or face biometric login and ultra-short passwords. Full decentralization. With SNS DAO integration, developers can create fully decentralized Bitcoin dapps on IC. This enables dapps to operate autonomously and be collectively managed by the community via governance voting. With IC security, efficiency, and easy Bitcoin transfers, it's obvious why Bitcoin developers choose IC as the dapp community grows. How to build Bitcoin dapps on IC. First, pick your language. You've got a choice between Motoko, Python, Rust, TypeScript, Solidity, or C++. Each one has its own development kit to make your life much easier. Next, get everything set up locally. Start by creating a directory, activating your dev kit, and building a local Bitcoin network. This is your sandbox for developing and testing your brilliant ideas. Now, it's time to write code, integrate components, and give things a test run right on your local setup. Because, well, for now, IC doesn't yet have a testnet. You're the boss in your own testing ground. Finally, once you've polished your creation, import your code to IC for more testing or deployment. Just remember, IC doesn't have a testnet, so for testing, you'd connect your testnet dapp to Bitcoin's testnet after launching it on IC's mainnet. Use ICP on the NNS DAO for cycles to cover your costs. And just like that, your Bitcoin dapp is ready to roll and be embraced by the community. And that's the basic process. Congratulations! By following these steps, your Bitcoin integrated dapp will be set up for use by the community. Exciting! For more details, check out the Internet Computer Developer documentation right here. We hope this expanded overview has provided greater clarity on building Bitcoin dapps on IC. See you in the next video!